What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock and what are the methods of unlock available for Ninebot scooters and actually for any other scooters right now in 2025, and actually it also will work in 2026. So here I have three scooters. From the right side I've got here F3, on the middle is E2 Pro, Ninebot E2 Pro, Ninebot F3, Ninebot F2 Plus. So all of them can be unlocked to 32, even 35 km per hour, some of them to 40. And currently I will show you how you can do it one by one. So actually for those three scooters available hardware unlock method. So here for F2 Plus you can replace the controller located here inside the scooter. So you order just a new controller, unlocked one from AliExpress, and you improve your speed from 25 to 32 km per hour. And links you can find in the comments below, and a video also how to unlock the scooter, how to unlock F2 Plus with controller replacement, you can find in description below. For E2 Pro also this method available. So actually it's only one method available for E2 Pro right now, is to replace the controller located over there. I will show you this video, also I will record it soon. I already ordered controller from AliExpress, so you can replace it and unlock it to 32 km per hour from 25. And for F3 actually there is no controller, but there is another thing. Actually it's connected over there, very simple. You will not lose your warranty and void it. You just dismantle 4 screws. Actually it was dismantled, I already purchased it. Install the special device, as you see, F3 Pro written on the device, and you can ride your scooter up to 45 km per hour, so it's insanely good, very simple. Also link in the description below. Actually for hardware methods also one more available for F2 Plus. For F2 Plus what you can do here, you can use ST-Link firmware and install using the Xiaodash. So here I have this Xiaodash app, and you can install Xiaodash firmware here with a ST-Link and actually also unlock it to 40 plus km per hour. For E2 Pro, scooter hacking utility and Xiaodash are not working, so actually only one method is unlocked using the controller replacement. For F2 Plus, both of them, scooter hacking utility and Xiaodash, I have already videos on my channel, you can check it out how to do it. So two of them will be working right now for 2025-26, and for F3 Xiaodash is actually not working. You cannot use it properly, you cannot find any methods to unlock, but scooter hacking utility is one of the best methods here, so you can easily unlock it to 32 km per hour without dismantling, very simple and easy. So actually maximum speed for F3 that can be reached is 45 km per hour. F2 Plus it's actually 40 km per hour, and E2 Pro is 32 km per hour. Of course it's a bit influence your battery, but not that dramatical. So actually for all the three scooters hardware methods available and software. And what you should notice is those apps names, scooter hacking utility, Xiaodash. I leave all the links in description where you can purchase the new controllers unlocked, where you can find videos how to do it, how to unlock, how to change the controllers on my channel. And basically that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, put the thumbs up and see you next time.